Okay, so far we have recording. So far we have decided that the kit trying to add a 7-blade outlet into the front of the bed so that my sliding camper, I can take and plug that into the truck wiring system so that I can running lights, the backup camera, other amenities, keep the fridge running, stuff like that, keep charging the battery will work. So I ordered what I thought was the best recovery. It seemed so simple on paper, where you would simply pull out your existing wiring harness, which I've taken farther apart than I wanted to. I thought this is solid. And in the thing, it was supposed to be take apartable, so you could just plug in this and then run it back with this wiring system, and it was a plug and play. But that's not my life. So I pulled out the bed liner to see where a good spot, like this is where the previous owner had drilled and put his fifth wheel connection. I at one point had a different camper years and years ago, and I ran a 4-flat wiring system and just shoved it through there to get wiring up to the front of the previous camper. Worked fine for that one, didn't really know what I was doing. So took out the bed liner to see where to drill a hole like this out there, because that's where the wiring harness on my new camper, new to me, 1995 Lance, I gotta drill it up there. And this other end is it's a beautiful 90-degree, click it into this in the bed, that end's simple. This end, however, has now become, these are beautifully weatherproofed connections. Same here. I am going to, I believe, try and order another one of these so that clips right into the back of that nicely. Then I have another auxiliary future, no idea what I would need it for thing. So I ripped out the bed liner, no big deal. And now I haven't cleaned this part of my truck in years. So I'm gonna clean all this up, drill my hole. It calls for 2 1/8, but I've seen where they said 2-inch will work. Because nobody has a 2 1/8, I might hole saw in my kit of hole saws. And so then I will bring you back when I go to, because now I'm going to have to undo all of these pins here and reconnect, butt splice a new end onto, no I won't. I'm going to try to just run and buy a new one of those, and then that whole thing should screw into my existing factory position right here. So let me get a few things done and I'll bring you back.